The idea I had for this video, my cut to carrots video, is actually how to bake a cake. Having an established shot, panning over the kitchen, and then zooming in and getting a close-up of the recipe before panning over the ingredients we'll be using as the narrator reads off the recipe and what they're going to be doing. Cut to different images and shots of the ingredients being mixed together, eggs cracking, the milk being poured, and then show it being put in the oven. And as it's in the oven, zooming in to see through the window to see it bake and rise, and then have a pull out as it's being pulled out of the oven and set down where it'll cut to a push in where the cake is being put out and having frosting put over it. And then maybe ending with just somebody enjoying that piece of cake.